Hello all. Today we are going to talk about pruning in fruit plants, right? Pruning is a very important process that to ensure the sunlight and to maintain the health of the tree. Also, like you can manage the spacing. If you are doing proper pruning, you can save a lot of spacing. At the same time, while you do pruning, lot of biomass you are giving back to the earth. So every tree you have to keep in mind that the trees while doing the pruning the time, right? Especially those mangoes, you cannot just prune now because it's a mango season and it's yielding it. So you only need to prune after the harvest is over. But mulberry, as I did now, like it is not required any season. Anytime you can prune it. So mulberry and all, when how much ever you do pruning, you will get lot of fruits. And mangoes, one is that the center side, the center of the trunk of the tree, you have to ensure the sunlight is reaching it, and all unhealthy branches you just need to cut it. So this is a one tool what I'm gonna use for this pruning, especially the height can be managed with this one. Little height we can just like see, you can manage here, and you can also use some small pruning cutters to prune that. Okay. I'm standing in my forest. This is all grown just in some 5-6 years of time. And while you're designing your food forest and you maintain your food forest, it's very important that to prune. And the pruning also, that is also like based on the crops. Now I'm just like gonna prune one of my mulberry, which is Himalayan red long, which gives you a fruit when you do a lot of wood pruning actually. Now you can see, right, I have just like started chopping almost all the main branches, so you just need to cut it. Okay, like, and you can propagate saplings through this one, and you can manage the spacing. If you are just doing pruning, it's not just about this crop, you can have to manage the spacing, right? Now I'm growing my mulberry along with this mango, so this mango gets a good sunlight if you just prune it, and mulberry doesn't require lot of leaves and all. So whenever you do prune, you will get lot of fruit. After some 2-3 weeks times, I can show you lot of mulberries will be there in this tree. And same time, if you want to use this as a sapling, you can use this as a sapling, or if you don't want, you can just do as a mulch for the plants to the mulberry or any other trees, right? So that way we are increasing lot of biomass to the soil. So especially this summer time and all, it's very important that to keep lot of organic matters into this soil. That way it will helps you to give a lot of carbon to this earth, and it gives the fertility. Your soil will be matured. So pruning is very important. And mulching also, while you do mulching, you have to give a proper spacing. You have to keep a space with this trunk, so otherwise a lot of stem borer attack may come. So you can keep this space like this. So like that, I believe that this complete soil has converted in a very good fertile land because of these kind of mulch. So you try to grow a lot of medium trees, medium canopy trees and all. So if you are keeping lot of this kind of trees and all, it gives lot of green mulch to the field. Today just over the work, and it's little sunny, so again we'll start in the evening with lot of energy. Thank you.